You can be in your office, you can be somewhere. Just throw some stuff together, it's chicken salad.
You're at your office and you're like, you know what? I brought a bowl, I brought all these ingredients. Let me just whip up some chicken.
Hey, well, welcome back. This week, we're making chicken salad. That's right, one of our favorites and probably the best chicken salad you'll ever try. So like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Now let's get started. Chicken salad.
Who doesn't love chicken salad?
I know, it's something fresh, it's easy.
Yeah.
You can put it together wherever you are. Now our secret, and you need to stop boiling chicken, you need to stop using canned chicken.
Yep.
And get you one of those delicious rotisserie chickens. Mm-hmm. Now I know it doesn't look like one because we pulled the meat off and we cubed it.
It's like, what? This is not rotisserie.
Yes, this is the weirdest looking chicken ever.
Yeah.
But no, that is the secret to the best chicken salad.
It is.
Just use one of those rotisseries.
Man.
You pull it, it's good, it's
Yeah.
perfect. You cut it up a little bit so you get little cubes. Mm-hmm. And that canned stuff, you don't have that weird can flavor.
Yeah.
And this is good. I like it.
It is. Anytime any recipe calls for canned or boiled, just sub it with rotisserie.
Yes. So we're gonna add a couple cups of chicken. Ooh, should have had to tell. And then our mayo.
Yes.
And now I guess you can use a store-bought mayo, but you're not gonna wanna.
No.
Because as easy it is to make fresh mayonnaise, and as good as it tastes, you'll be one to use that.
It'd be funny if we used that mayo we made in the historic mayo.
Oh yeah, don't use that. No.
I would not.
And to it, we're gonna add a little Greek yogurt, a plain Greek yogurt. Don't get some weird flavor.
Unless you want to, but we don't suggest it.
So being odd. And then got some little diced up celery.
And is that raw celery?
Yes.
Cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Didn't know if you blanched it or not.
No, just. And this is so simple. You see, that's what I love about chicken salad. No matter where you're at, you can throw it together. You can be in your office, you can be somewhere. Just throw some stuff together, it's chicken salad.
You're at your office and you're like, you know what? I brought a bowl, I brought all these ingredients. Let me just whip up some chicken spaghetti.
Exactly.
I mean, you could. It is that easy, but.
And we're gonna add some salt, pepper.
It's smelling good.
A little Dijon mustard, a little spoon.
Ooh. Yeah, and that's a good Dijon mustard too.
Oh, that's one of my favorites.
Super good. Ooh.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now these guys are some of the best little pickles.
They are.
Little gherkins or cornichons, but this Mally makes some of the best. It tastes different than all the other brands out there.
Yeah.
And so I took about a quarter cup of them.
Yeah.
And then diced them up just like that. And they're gonna add so much of that good flavor.
Yeah, they really are. They are a fantastic pickle.
Yes.
You need a knife?
Yeah, I have a knife to cut up some herbs. You want to put some fresh herbs. And the beauty thing about chicken salad is, yeah, we're gonna put a exact recipe down.
Yeah.
But it's also one that you can just kind of make of what you really like. You don't have to. If you don't like dill, don't use dill. You can put those craisins. You can put grapes.
Yeah.
I mean,
you can even add some rosemary if you wanted.
Yes, it's all up to your choice.
Yeah. It really is.
I mean, it's just basically a mayo little base, but I like to cut, not be super mayo. That's why I like to add the Greek yogurt, but you could, if you can't find Greek yogurt, just substitute sour cream.
Yeah.
And then,
sour cream's a good sub too, actually.
Yeah.
And even the mayo, if you make your own mayo, you can kind of flavor your mayo too.
Exactly.
To affect, the flavor of your.
And then I like to add
salad.
a little bit of lemon zest to give that little fresh flavor out there.
It does kind of lift up the flavor. So
Yeah, I'm gonna just squeeze a little bit of juice.
try to
Careful,
not get
no
the seeds in it. Oh,
Oh, that one's for you.
yeah, it would be.
And that's how simple. Like, this is taking us no time.
It is.
And you just.
And while you're mixing that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some.
Oh yes, because we're gonna make some sandwiches, which
Yeah.
is. And that's the thing. You can have sandwiches. You can just put it on some lettuce, stuff an avocado with it.
Yeah. Check that out. Bam.
Boom! Our nice little sandwich board.
Yeah. Well, I guess so you can see it better.
All right, like. Yes.
Look at that. Let me grab a spoon too.
Yeah, grab a spoon. Give that guy a little try. And that's one of the best chicken salads. love those pickles, the crunch of the celery.
That's a good
little
chicken
lemon.
salad.
That just makes me happy.
Oh yeah.
There. All right. Ready for a sandwich?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Can't remember if we told them they could put like pecans or other stuff in
Oh,
there too.
yeah, and that's the other thing. We had some of these honey roasted pecans. We thought we could chop them up and put it in, but you know what? I decided, hey, we're just gonna go simple.
A nice simple chicken salad for a little chicken salad sandwich. But if you want, like we said, just make it your own. Add whatever else you want to.
Yes, that's the fun thing about chicken salad. I always like to season my tomatoes.
Yeah, every sandwich you put tomatoes on, you gotta season the tomatoes.
And I know some people, when they make chicken salad sandwiches, they like to throw another layer of mayo. Don't do that. That's just adding too much mayo.
Yeah.
It's getting crazy.
Because realistically, mayo is just egg and oil.
Yeah.
You're adding a lot of extra.
And really, you want to
nothing.
taste the ingredients and not just taste mayonnaise.
Yeah. Even though mayo's good, but
Especially our mayo.
yeah, exactly.
All right.
This sandwich is about to be yummy.
There you go. All right, chicken salad sandwich. See how fast and easy that was?
I mean,
like
that
a
was-
blink of an eye. We have
really
lunch.
Boom. Let's try it.
I love that. A lot of chicken salads are really sweet.
Yeah. This is like a savory chicken salad. It's got great flavor, not overpowering.
But a little lemon freshness is good. The dill, fresh herbs.
You can taste all of the ingredients. It's not just like, bam.
Not good.
It is. And you season that tomato so you actually taste tomato.
Yeah, that's the important thing. Season your food. It's okay. Just a little will go a long way. And it'll
wow.
add so much more. Man, I could eat all of that. Not gonna lie.
Seriously. Well,
That's-
it'll probably be gone by tomorrow.
yeah, and probably, it's gonna be lunch and dinner.
Yeah.
Oh,
But that's actually a good thing too. We really try not to waste any of the food we're making to show y'all. We really try and eat what we make.
yeah, obviously. So, I hope you'll try some chicken spaghetti. I got chicken
Chicken
spaghetti.
spaghetti. Yeah. You can come back someday and see how to make some.
Yeah, some old school chicken spaghetti. Chicken salad.
Yes.
Make it. It's a good thing. It's an amazing thing. And the recipe will be down there in the
It will.
description. But also, let chicken salad be free. Have fun with it. Cooking is fun.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
tailoring to your likes. Take a base and just go with it. You don't like parsley? Add some thyme. You know, just mix and match. Have fun with it.
But this recipe is delicious. So
Oh,
if
it
you
is.
like chicken salad, just make this and you'll love it.
Guaranteed. So,
Yeah.
all right. Well, until next Friday, remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Almost forgot about the cooking.
Don't forget, just keep camping.
Yeah, and keep cooking. That's good.
Yeah, it really is.
And the rotisserie chicken is key.
Yeah. It really is, because with canned chicken, this would not be the same.